Thanks for stopping in to Sandra's Sensations and checking out my channel. I appreciate it. I have my apron back with my beautiful embroidery on it. Thank you so much, Joy, for doing this for me. She actually picked up a painting that she really liked. I'll just give you a quick glance. She's picked this one, so I'm going to be sending this one to her as a thank you. So again, Joy, thank you so much. I'm going to be doing a swipe pour tonight. Just got in the door from work, haven't even had dinner, and I come straight in here to paint because that's what I love to do. And cooking is not my specialty, trust me. It's horrible, actually. I think when my kids come over to visit and they smell burnt toast even, they say, "Wow, Mom, it smells just like our growing up years." So what can you do? I paint, I don't cook. Okay. So I'm going to be doing the iridescent Artezas again. I love the first painting that I did. I should actually show you a close-up of it. If I step away from the camera for a sec, just let me grab it. I'll show you the dried version of the iridescent. I don't know if the video did it justice with how much these colors pop. It is just gorgeous. So if you get a chance to get the Arteza Iridescence, well worth it. Okay, so now I've got pearl down here right now on my base. It's a 16 by 20 canvas. It's the metallic pearl by Deco Art. That's what I'm going to use as my base. I put 2 drops of silicone in a bottle this size. And this size was about 3/4 full, and that's what I've used to cover up my canvas with. And let's get to it. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. It would be very much appreciated. And of course, you all know, everybody that keeps coming back and you leave comments, I love you for it. Please keep doing it. I love reading them. Okay, let's get started here. I'm going to be doing, I think yellow I'll start with first. It's called Dreamy Lemon Yellow by the Arteza Iridescent Colors. Okay, yellow's down first. And I'm always going to stop and put the lid on this. Sorry, I know it's probably going to delay my video that much longer, but I'll spill it if I don't. Then I'm putting down, sorry, it's the Shocking Lime Green. And I'm going right around the same area as that yellow because, again, I want to do a swipe. Then I'm going to be doing the shady orange. I'm going to do all 9 out of the 10 colors that are in the box. The 10th one is black. I didn't want to do black in this painting, so sorry. This one is the Fiery Red. And then we've got Royal Purple. Okay, we've done all those. I think I'm going to do my Playful Pink last because it's really light. Electric Plum is the next one. And it's already looking gorgeous. Maybe I should just leave it as is once I get all the colors down. A little bit of negative space on both sides. No big deal, right? This one is Glowing Peach, which is a pink color. I'm surprised it's called what it is, but it has a little bit of a peachy tinge to it. And then we've got Fairy Tale Blue. Okay. Last one is Playful Pink. I think I'm going to put a drop of silicone in Playful Pink and use that as part of my swipe, because I do have some silicone on the base too, which we'll see, trial and error, if this is something that is a good idea or not. Oh, that was 2 drops. Just give it a light mix. Okay. And I'm going to go right down the center here. Center-ish, I should say, because I'm not good at getting total center. Close enough though. Okay. I'm going to leave that one sit there without the lid on. I might need more of it. Let's hope I don't spill it. But you know me, I always got a blooper. Okay, let's start swiping this down. Grab some of my napkins. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to go a little bit of a curve as I swipe. I'm going to do that one more time. That was a little shaky. I'm curious, I'm not really seeing any cells popping right away, and usually we do when we're doing a swipe. So I'm going to stop right there and I'm going to give it a quick little torch and just see if anything's going to happen here. Okay, that's what I want happening, so I'm going to continue on. Oh, that looks really cool. I have a feeling this is going to be another one that I'm just going to be in love with, because this iridescent is just wow paint. And hopefully with the pearl base coat, it'll even make it pop that much more, because the pearl metallic's got a little punch to it too, right? Oop. Boy, if you wanted a rainbow painting, this is what it's turning out like right now. Gorgeous. Okay, now I think I'm going to turn my painting. Bear with me here. I think I'll definitely be dipping some magnets in my pour drippings, because there's a puddle over here that's just gorgeous. Okay, let's torch this, what I just did. Hopefully I'm still in the video frame for you. Okay. Now let's see if I have enough on here to keep going. Oh, I better add a little bit of white, I think. No, you know what? I'm going to trust my gut and go. Oh, dripped on my painting. Okay, let's redo that swipe. Although it was pretty colors. Okay. Run out of napkins and everything. Okay. Now, I don't know if you guys got a chance to check out any of my other videos. For any of you that's new to my channel, just watching, my sweetheart Greg decided to hijack my channel while I was away babysitting my grandkids. And I asked him to please post one of my videos for me on the weekend. So I guess I didn't specify which video I wanted, so he decided to hijack my channel and do his own. It's actually quite funny. He is still in the doghouse for it, but he is trying to make up for it by buying me these paints. So, oops, another blooper. My lid fell in my painting. Always have a blooper. Always keeping it real around here. So if you haven't had a chance to check out my channel, please scroll down some of the videos and check out the one that says I can't leave my husband alone. This is why. It's a cute video. I'll give him that. He did good. Okay, now let me give this side a torch. And let's give it a second to see what it does. But there are cells everywhere. That is just awesome. Okay. Do I need to add any other color? We got the yellows and the oranges, reds in there. Both ends of these look really cool. Let me just torch this a little bit more. There we go. I am definitely officially calling this done. I'm not going to mess with it. I will hopefully tilt it a little bit and not wreck it so you can see close up for a second. There we go. It definitely turned out awesome. I might add a little bit of color to the corners, but we'll see. I just want to let it settle for a little bit. So there we go. There's a iridescent swipe, bright colors, gorgeous paint. Again, it's the Arteza. It's a 10-pack. I think it's $45, $48, something like that on Amazon, Canadian. Well worth it. If you want to treat yourself to some really nice paints, try this. And I'm not sponsored by them. I pay for all my products. I don't have any kind of income at all. I go to work every day. Any extra money I have, I spend on paints and canvases. So if you can share a video with your friends on Facebook, I would really appreciate it. And again, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it. It's free to do, and it helps me immensely. Thanks very much, everyone.